I don't know if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. Here's what you want to do. First, pay attention to your current battery percentage at the top and go into settings. Once you have gone into the settings, find camera here, click on camera and toggle this option. Use volume up for burst. Now, after you have done this, go into your camera and right here, what you want to do is press and hold the volume up button for about 2 minutes. So just press and hold on to it. And after you have done this for 2 minutes, notice the percentage which your iPhone has decreased to. If it has decreased 1 to 3%, then it means that your battery is not boosted, but 4% and more means that your iPhone battery is indeed or in fact boosted. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.